Theory of estimation. Estimation in statistics. Let's first we are talking about the term. What do you mean by statistics? Statistics বলতে কি বোঝায় বা তুমি statistics বলতে কি মনে করো? In statistics, estimation refers to the process by which one make inferences about a population based on information obtained from a sample. Furthermore, I talk about this matter. In statistics, estimation refers to the process by which one make inferences about a population based on information obtained from a sample. Second, we are going to talking about this term. Classification of estimation. There are two types of estimation. First one is point estimate and second one is interval estimate. Now we're talking about the matter point estimate versus interval estimate. Look, statistician use sample statistics to estimate population parameters. For example, sample means are used to estimate population means. Sample means are used to what kinds of matter? Sample means are used to estimate population means, and sample proportion are also used to estimate the population proportion. An estimate of a population parameter may be expressed in two ways. Population parameter may be expressed in two ways. That's our point estimation and second one is interval estimation. I repeat once more. An estimate of a population parameter may be expressed in two ways: point estimate and interval estimate. First one is point estimation and second one is interval estimation. Let's talking about the definition of point estimation. Point estimate. A point estimate of a population parameter is a single value of a statistic. For example, the sample mean X is a point estimate of the population mean mu. I repeat furthermore, a point estimate of a population parameter is a single value of a statistic. A point estimate of a population parameter is a single value of a statistic. Point estimate, okay, for example, the sample mean X bar, okay, X bar is a point estimate of population mean mu. The sample mean X bar is a point estimate of the population mean mu. Similarly, the sample proportion P is a point estimate of the sample proportion P is a point estimate of the population proportion P. Okay, the sample proportion is small p and population proportion is capital P. Okay. Interval estimation definition. In statistics, interval estimation is the use of sample data to calculate an interval of possible probable values of an unknown population parameter. In contrast to point estimation, which is a single number. In statistics, interval estimation is the use of sample data to calculate an interval of possible or probable values of an unknown population parameter. In contrast to point estimation, which is single number. Let's talking about the term interval estimate. An interval estimate is defined by two numbers between which a population parameter is said to lie. Population parameter is said to lie in between two numbers. Okay. For example, a less than x less than b is an interval estimate of the population mean mu. It indicates that the population mean is greater than a but less than b. The population mean is greater than a but less than b.